Here is a beginner-level sales manager quiz that covers sales territory management, competitive selling and market adaptation, and direct customer feedback and product alignment. Let's go. Question 1. What is the main objective of sales territory management? A. To distribute sales opportunities evenly among team members. B. To let sales reps choose any region they want. C. To focus only on large cities. And D. To avoid working with difficult customers. Answer: to distribute sales opportunities evenly among team members. Question 2. Which factor should be considered when dividing sales territories? A. Customer density and market potential. B. The number of competitors in the region. C. Geographic location and accessibility. And D. All of the above. Answer: all of the above. Question 3. Why is territory management important for sales success? A. It helps sales teams focus on specific customer segments. B. It prevents salespeople from overlapping in the same area. C. It ensures better resource allocation and efficiency. And D. All of the above. Answer: all of the above. Question 4. What is an effective territory management strategy? A. Letting sales reps choose their own territories randomly. B. Assigning territories based on sales reps' experience and strengths. C. Changing territories every week. And D. Avoiding territories with competition. Answer: assigning territories based on sales reps' experience and strengths. Question 5. Which of the following is an important part of competitive selling? A. Lowering prices significantly to compete. B. Ignoring competition and focusing only on your product. C. Understanding competitors' strengths and weaknesses. And D. Avoiding customer feedback. Answer: understanding competitors' strengths and weaknesses. Question 6. How can a sales manager adapt to market changes? A. Sticking to the same strategy regardless of market conditions. B. Ignoring competitors and their strategies. C. Avoiding new sales tactics. And D. Continuously researching industry trends and customer preferences. Answer: continuously researching industry trends and customer preferences. Question 7. What is a key aspect of competitive selling? A. Highlighting the unique value of your product compared to competitors. B. Copying competitors' strategies exactly. C. Ignoring customer needs and focusing only on price. And D. Avoiding discussions about competitors. Answer: highlighting the unique value of your product compared to competitors. Question 8. Which approach helps a sales team compete effectively in the market? A. Ignoring customer feedback. B. Offering better customer service than competitors. C. Only focusing on existing customers and avoiding new leads. And D. Selling the same way without adapting to customer needs. Answer: offering better customer service than competitors. Question 9. What is market adaptation in sales? A. Avoiding customer requests. B. Sticking to one strategy permanently, C. Ignoring competitor activity, and D. Adjusting sales strategies based on market trends and customer preferences. Answer: adjusting sales strategies based on market trends and customer preferences. Question 10. Why is direct customer feedback important for a sales manager? A. It helps improve products and services based on real customer needs. B. It has no impact on business growth. C. It should only be collected after a deal is closed. And D. It is only useful for the marketing team. Answer: it helps improve products and services based on real customer needs. Congratulations on completing 10 questions. Let's move ahead. Question 11. What is the best way to gather customer feedback? A. Ignoring customer opinions unless they complain. B. Conducting surveys and personal follow-ups. C. Only relying on online reviews. And D. Avoiding direct interaction with customers. Answer: conducting surveys and personal follow-ups. Question 12. How should a sales manager use customer feedback? A. To increase product prices. B. To criticize the sales team for their mistakes. C. To improve sales strategies and tailor future offerings. And D. To remove low-cost products from the catalogue. Answer: to improve sales strategies and tailor future offerings. Question 13. Which of the following is a benefit of aligning products with customer needs? A. Lower product quality. B. Higher customer complaints. C. Increased product returns. And D. Increased customer satisfaction and brand loyalty. Answer: increased customer satisfaction and brand loyalty. Question 14. What should a sales manager do if multiple customers complain about the same issue? A. Identify the problem and work with the team to find a solution. B. Ignore the complaints and continue selling. C. Assume the customers are wrong. And D. Blame the competitors for the issue. Answer: identify the problem and work with the team to find a solution. Question 15. How can customer feedback improve territory management? A. By helping sales reps avoid difficult customers. B. By identifying areas with high demand and potential. C. By focusing only on existing customers. And D. By ignoring competitor strategies. Answer: by identifying areas with high demand and potential. Question 16. What is the best way to stay competitive in sales? A. Ignoring customer expectations. B. Avoiding innovation and relying on old strategies. C. Continuously improving products and services based on market trends. And D. Competing only on price without adding value. Answer: continuously improving products and services based on market trends. Question 17. Which strategy helps a sales team outperform competitors? A. Avoiding customer interactions. B. Ignoring customer needs and focusing only on short-term profits. C. Selling low-quality products at a discount. And D. providing better customer service and personalized solutions. Answer: providing better customer service and personalized solutions. Question 18. How can sales managers help their team adapt to changing markets? A. Providing ongoing training and development programs. B. Sticking to old sales methods without change. C. Ignoring market research reports. And D. Removing underperforming products without evaluation. Answer: providing ongoing training and development programs. Question 19. Which of the following helps optimize sales territory management? A. Ignoring market potential when assigning territories. B. Randomly assigning territories without planning. C. Letting each sales rep decide their own territory. And D. Using data analytics to track performance in different regions. Answer: using data analytics to track performance in different regions. Question 20. Why is customer feedback critical for product alignment? A. It helps businesses improve offerings and meet customer expectations. B. It makes no difference to sales performance. C. It only matters after a product has been discontinued. And D. It should only be considered for low-cost products. Answer: it helps businesses improve offerings and meet customer expectations. How many did you get right? Comment below and subscribe for more.